Welcome to SunSchool. Hello, little ones. Welcome to another episode of Conscious Money for Little Learners. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about needs, wants, and the magic of money flow. So, what is a need? A need is something we must have to grow healthy and strong, like food, water, a safe home, sleep, love and care. Needs help our bodies, hearts, and minds. What is a want? A want is something fun or special that we enjoy, but we really don't need that to help our body stay healthy and strong. It's something fun like a toy, treats, cool gadgets. And things like this wants are wonderful, but again, they're not necessary to help us, grow healthy and strong. Now, let's talk about wise choices. So, being a conscious creator means slowing down and asking yourself, is this something I need? Or is this something I want? Or is this a wise choice for me today? And wise choices help us feel more peaceful, proud, and in control. Now, here's something you've probably never heard of before. Money doesn't disappear, it actually flows. Now, here's the magic most grown-ups don't learn until a lot later on in life. So, as I said, when you spend money, it doesn't just disappear, it actually circulates. So let me explain. When you spend money on something you need, you help someone else too. So for instance, like when you buy groceries, you help a farmer. When you buy books, you help an author. When you buy shoes, you help families. Money is like water in a garden. It helps things grow and always finds a way to flow back to you. Now, let's talk about how we feel when we spend money. And we can call this conscious spending feelings. So, for example, adults, you may have heard this, maybe, but some adults, sometimes they feel scared when they have to spend money because they feel like it's going out and they feel like it's gone then, it's not going to come back, and they have to wait until they get paid again. However, you are learning the truth, which is when you spend money, right before you spend it, money is an energy, so you can say, thank you, money, for helping me and someone else. That feeling as you spend money helps money flow back into your life. So, I'd like you to try this at home with your parent or your grown-up, okay? So look around at things that you want to buy and ask, is this a need? Is it a want? Is it a wise choice? And who does this spending help? And you'll be amazed at how smart your brain feels afterward. Of today, SunSchool creators, needs, wants, wise choices, and flowing money. You are actually learning to use money with purpose and peace. And we'll see you in lesson 3.
At SunSchool, we don't raise consumers. We raise conscious creators. Children who understand that money is a mirror, not a measure.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and click the alert bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Go ahead and click that like button too. We really appreciate your support for the channel.